In your opinion, who's the king of dancehall?
Right, and every man get them time and every man do them prime, you know. See? It's when Billy man get him time, him do him prime, right? Now a Kartel get him time, I do him prime. So I just Kartel time. Yellow man get him time, him do him prime. When my time come, I go do my prime, you understand? So when I hear a time for shine, I hear a time for shine. And when I want to shine, just go and look and just what a vibe. You understand me? Because you don't know how to thing go. You've been down that road already and know it feel. I just you feel advance more rapidly upon your time when your time was at the spot. You understand me? So right, so let me just say, music dash party that make kind of feel away. Feel car. Remember say Kartel do 13 years in a bar behind bars and touch the road and still strong in the music. So apart from that, him do good songs and him write. He's a good writer and you know regardless of what and Beanman is a good artist also too. So to my belief, but I say dancer they are good places party for there. Kartel the king right now. Let me say right now. Beanman I'm a general series up and running. Let me say.
If you have a king, there must be a prince. Who is the prince of dancehall?
What I say the prince of dancehall are me, Anaconda. I'm coming out very strong with some bad tone and good attitude. I mean, I'm back in the music. I have things that jump in the music. I think I flop in the music. I act in the music. Oh.
Yeah, man, give a piece of DJ.
Yeah. I want a paper iron for me say, girl, me love all your wine. Tick it and tack it one time. Oko juicy in your spine. Them can't stop you from shine. Alright. Me love all your wine. Tick it and tack it one time. Oko juicy in your spine. Them can't stop you from shine. Alright. Wine and go down low, 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 low. When you wanna keep on your ease and to low, low, low. Hold pan the baseline down, let go. When you want wine, tell your boyfriend, low. You can do it fast and slow, low, low. Do it in a deep sea and shallow, low, low. A boy want a free wine, tell him no, 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 no. Dip your one in your pocket for you. Hey, girl, move up your waistline. Tick it and tack it on time. Oko juicy in your spine. Them can't stop you from shine. Captain Uku with the uku, man them so you little. And any boy can wine in your pickle, rock out in the party, wine and jiggle. Music a play at girl them a jiggle. Lick up on table, peanut and nibble. Watch out the sexy girl a cause pay trouble. Woman me love all your bubble. Hey, girl me love all your wine. Tiki and taki pan, tiki and taki and. That is it. And that's the
Yes, people, check out the artists, big artists.